What's going on? My name's Tim, one of the founders here at Scary Good Marketing. And if you're watching this, you're watching our 31 days of Scary Good Marketing tips and tricks. And today I want to talk about using link shorteners, and more specifically, link shorteners that allow you to add your tracking data to them. Now, why do you really want to use link shorteners and use these kinds of things as part of your marketing strategy? Well, one is being able to go and pay money to have a good link shortener that actually uses a domain that you have set up really helps you do a lot more tracking and see a lot more data. And one of the things that we actually really like doing is, even if you are sharing content from another blog or another article, any of that stuff, a lot of these link shorteners now will actually allow you to put your tracking data codes on those links. So for instance, let's say that we find an article on Entrepreneur or Business Insider or Forbes or any of that stuff that we want to share with our community and share with everybody, and we think it's a really helpful, insightful article. Well, anybody that clicks on that link, we can actually use our Facebook pixel and our Google tags, our Pinterest pixel, whatever kind of tracking data that we want to actually render whenever somebody clicks on that link. So the cool thing is, even if you're sharing content organically and it starts doing really well, right? Let's say that you share something from Forbes and you put it on Pinterest and it's doing really well. Well, every time somebody clicks on that link and they go there, now you can actually start showing those people retargeted ads on Google and Facebook and Instagram or Pinterest, any of those, even though it is not your website and even though it's not your content, you can start running advertisements to those people. And this really opens up a lot of possibilities, because if somebody is clicking over and reading a specific article, right? Let's say that you're in the weight loss industry and you sell a supplement, and the article that you are linking to is maybe one talking about the benefits of a protein powder and why people should drink protein. Well, now once they click on that, everybody that's clicking on that is interested in learning more about protein powder. Now you can actually start showing those people advertisements for your protein powder and be talking about the same kind of benefits that they are now looking for based on that article. And you didn't even have to write that article. You don't have to worry about having a big following. You don't have to do any of that, because if it's coming from Women's Health, let's say, then they already have a lot more credibility than you do, and now you're able to go and start marketing and advertising to that exact same audience with that pixel retargeting through a link shortener. Now, I'm going to leave 2 links below. These are our favorite link shorteners that we use. Check them out. They have different pricing, but they pretty much work really similar. So if you are wanting to start using link shorteners to be able to add tracking pixels and data and really be able to kind of start opening up some of the ways that you can go and find new clients and customers, definitely check out those 2 link shorteners below. And other than that, that's pretty much all that I have for you today. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for our next marketing tip and trick.